A quick recap here. Before Thanksgiving, a federal judge ruled that federal agents violated a consent decree by arresting hundreds of immigrants. That's why at the time, Judge Cummings ordered that they be released on bond, but no one was released. An appellate court pumping the brakes, and they're expected to hear arguments tomorrow.
This list of hundreds of people identified as being arrested without a warrant or probable cause. Their families had hope, we're told, that they'd be together for Thanksgiving thanks to a federal judge's order.
None of them, unfortunately, got released that we were thinking were going to be released. The people that were on the list, they did not get released.
Immigration attorney William McLean represents several people on that list.
And the government is fighting this with absolutely everything they have.
Attorneys for DHS said the original ruling was a, quote, unlawful intrusion into immigration enforcement operations, calling it the tip of the iceberg, to which immigration advocates argued the consent decree and the district court's orders enforcing it do not gravely intrude, citing flagrant violations of that mutually entered into 2022 consent decree. While the case has been on pause, people on that list are still being deported.
It's not an administrative stay to block the immigration judge from entering an order of removal.
3 justices will hear the case, and the majority opinion will rule. Legal analyst Irv Miller.
So then the issue becomes the stay, whether or not the 600 or so people that are in custody will be released right away, or the stay will be continued, which means they have to stay in custody until the 3 judges make their minds and make a decision.
Now, we are not expecting the appellate court to make a final decision tomorrow. What we are expecting, though, is that they have to decide whether or not they will continue that stay, meaning that the people who are in federal custody, if they should remain in custody while they await that final decision. The hearing tomorrow begins at 1 p.m. Outside the Dirksen Federal Building, Sabrina Franza, CBS News, Chicago.